Hey, hello guys. Now, Tuesday early morning, few minutes and mấy gì bay thay vì cái giờ xin đi chứ, rồi tôi xin bay bay thay vì cái giờ xin đi chứ, này thằng is cloudy oh with the date is over me so we are so happy Tuesday Tuesday guys. Hope everyone is joining a little let party but yeah. Really the faculty shall we back to school which is be good yeah. So man but for now just see join my first the the evaluation so yeah. So man so with that being said on the previous we stop talking now previous talk to you guys Leon T bye. Alright guys, it's now Leon the now is now about 3:30 now, yes, and yeah. Hey, so we still do got the amount of stores about the OBS, but yeah, because we got more so coming oh trading to oh to more coming to the meeting, so yes, so or lead this week OBS, so but yeah, so but yeah. Yes, so I'm back with you now. Oh yeah, yes, and overall, it was a good this good what's yeah. We actually learned about anti-bullying. Oh yeah, and that was good, and yeah, and plus we had the mini pancake breakfast in classroom. Oh yeah. And then on that there was also team view this is the Chinese New Year, so happy Chinese New Year to all the Chinese people living his New Zealand and Canada and around the world oh yeah, hope everyone enjoyed the beginning of 2020 06 yeah, but yes but yes so that's all yeah. And yes, but the reason why I'm like this is because the first time I had Chinese food. I had chicken balls and cherry sauce and I had rice with that, and that was really good. The chili sauce tasted okay, so oh yeah, yep. It's different than to the other sauces that they use at restaurants or Chinese restaurants I see around the CGI. Oh yeah. But yes, so yeah. And on that we also had did a lead Billy's talk event where we what we do we actually made a poster with the kind words and and all that on it but yeah, I also had to give out cards or I guess company cards to the class and teachers. Oh yeah, and I gave one to well I don't think I see who I gave my two, but this is I gave one of my teacher and one to my classmates. So yes, so but yeah, so yeah, but that was good. Oh yeah, but and I only got two cards from my one of my teachers. But yeah, never gotten card a copy card from one of my from any of my classmates but yes oh well but yeah but but maybe it would be fun if we did it again for fun invest me our own copy cards and uh, and um and we could all give them to to the the classmates that we cared cared the most about them. Oh yeah, but yeah. So but all that matters is that I obviously giving it to one person one classmate who oh I guess oh sort of care about the or you care about right now whatever or whatever the most but yes so but yes so yeah but yes so but overall I actually do like and keep every classmate every teacher though but yeah but I'm sure my classmates and teachers keep every too but yeah so but yeah but all the way I do want to meet more buddies at this program and even find love in the program too. But yeah, so but yeah, but but yeah, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, but on that oh before school this morning I helped out Jimmy with some stuff and I pretty much oh yeah and he probably did good and it's always good yeah. So but yeah, and on that people told now a lot of people coming even Taiwan since will be in access to the store shops probably around the weekend well I'm able to get the walking so yes so but yeah so yes so yeah so but yeah but for now I'm just going to I just give myself set to work on yesterday's vlog yeah and on that I will pretty relaxing and home basically the idea and other trade or 12 I'll probably play some Fortnite with some of my classmates but yeah since I oh had it play on for the with buys this past weekend or Minecraft like that but yes so that is my plan for the snow day or days or whatever but yeah but yeah yep but I was on those games old past week ago the extended previous vlogs but yes so oh yeah bye so yeah well hopefully next year I'll have some buddies to prepare for it on Minecraft maybe the next 3 days while we have the snow but yes so but yeah. But for now, I'm just taking it easy. Just getting ready to work on the essay for like I said, yeah. So, so probably won't be much of vlog up to this point unless I do decide to play a phone train and I decide to do a clip or so of me playing that. Oh yeah, but yeah. So but yeah. Beyond that, that's all the talking that I want to do. So I better stop talking and I'll start working on yes vlog, yeah, and we'll talk to you guys later on. Yes. Okay, guys, it's that time again now. I got my bed set now, and yeah. And it's time for you to have to trade for it in no later, yeah, because my bed is set. So the rest of the day when well though oh yeah, later I see. But yes, so now we to we put on then we had breakfast for supper, which is pretty good. But yeah. So it was really good, yes, and yeah, of course, oh, and then I am now away then that I left it slowly so because I look to Facebook then that I'll programs and my homepage that the school is oh 2 weeks we closed 12, yeah, and and got the text not long after, which is good too. So yes, so well yeah, but it's but anyway, so well yeah, this is so hope everyone have a new friend enjoys the snow day, yeah, and we'll talk to you guys when I'm up on the road for more oh yes, but yeah, and right doing that outdoor start for oh depending on if I'm the only one selling or level 12, but we CBS, but as for the gaming, I didn't even get on the Xbox after the tape, but yeah, but I'm hoping to get on the 12 though, but oh we'll see though, we'll see, but for now I better not better I had a Lonnie though, yeah, and we'll talk to you guys meet tomorrow morning, so over and out.